and twist it, and we're gonna capture some of the biggest tornadoes ever. So let's do it. We've already got some form storming. That was a tornado, but it kind of just disappeared. Let me check the radar real quick. Alright, let's check the radar. We've got, I don't know what a hen egg is. We've got a funnel over here. Where are we? Where are we? Oh my gosh, come on. We're here. Okay, go. So we need to go up this way. Alright, let's go. Wait, which way am I going? No, I need to go this way. Alright, let's do this, guys. Let's go catch ourselves a big, big tornado. Let's do it. Jeez, it's really raining. Alright.
The National Weather Service
Got another tornado storm.
Today. Severe thunderstorm warning for Ladino County, North Central Quezada, Beltrami County, North Central Quezada. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60
Damaging winds?
This dangerous storm was located near Prior Lake. Moving north. Locations impacted include Trent, Prior Lake. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Trent and Prior Lake's gonna get hit. So, we need to head down to Prior Lake. Where are we? We're going down here. Alright, we're going to Prior. Oh, yeah, you see. There's no tornadoes, but there is apparently damaging winds at Prior Lake, which is where we are right now. We've got the Messinet's telling us 13 currently. Right, let's keep on going. Is that a tornado? Oh, it is. Look, it's a tornado.
Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for.
Yep, that's a tornado. Jeez, debris.
Helma, Prior Lake. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or basement. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body.
Oh my gosh. Look at that thing.
If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
That thing's pretty big. Holy moly. That's a big tornado. What directions is the tornado moving? Oh my god, it's moving this way. It's moving this way! Oh jeez! We gotta go! We gotta go! Jeez! gotta get out of here. I think he might be leaving, which is annoying. But jeez, that was about to kill us. Holy moly. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go! Jeez! I'm deploying the claws. Holy moly. Yeah, we're gonna get our probes. Oh, let's get out of here. Alright, let's go. Jeez, what is he doing? Alright, let's go. We've got a rotating storm. Tornado forming, tornado forming. I repeat, we have a tornado on the ground. Maybe not on the ground, but we definitely have a tornado forming, and it's, oh my god, it's gonna hit the town. Or it might be leaving. Oh, I think it's leaving, guys. Alright, it's leaving.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Trent.
Near Trent?
Moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Prior Lake. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture.
Where's this tornado? I feel like it's gonna fall right there.
If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available.
What is this shit doing behind me? Man, that's a pretty cool truck though. Not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. You got a pretty cool truck there, fella. Here's a tornado wrangler. Can't tell where this thing is moving. It's right above Prior Lake. That's the rotating storm, but there's no tornado yet. Alright, let's go. Driving off with the team. Oh, we got a tornado one. Yep, that's a tornado one.
The National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for Wadena County.
Oh, I see the tornado. It's right there.
Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Trent. Moving north at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include...
We got a tornado.
The safest place to be
That's
during a
100%
tornado
a
is in a
tornado.
basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate from...
Holy moly.
Or other low spot and cover your head.
road. Got another tornado warning. Alright, let me hear the warning.
The
That's
National
it.
Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning.
In Hazleton?
Cromie County in north central. National Weather Service stopped.
Said to Hazleton. We're going up now.
Locations impacted include Hazleton, Welchel Valley, Trent. The safest place to be during a tornado is
Let's
in a
go this way.
basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot. In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait
That is
to see or
definitely
hear the
right.
tornado.
I should have taken that turn. Right, let's take this turn. Oh, I hear noise. I think I hear a tornado. Pretty close. The rain was heading back. Where are we? Alright, we're here. I think the tornado's right next to me. Yep, there it is. Why are you guys going this way? It's not heading that way. Yeah, now you come. Man, that is a sick truck. What the hell are they doing?
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for
Oh, yeah,
Medina
this is
County
tornado.
in north central Keysota, Beltrami County in north central Keysota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Welchel Valley, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hazleton, Welchel Valley.
We got a tornado in
Tornadoes are
Hazleton.
extremely difficult to see or confirm at night.
That's
Do
a
not
good
wait to
tornado.
see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
So that's the tornado. Although now it's going that way. Oh, now it's going that way. Oh, yeah, it's definitely going to hit Hazleton. of the tornado. There's the tornado. We're in Hazleton. Then we're gonna go left off Hazleton. Right, where has the tornado gone? Is that the tornado? Oh, now it's going that way. I'm just gonna watch the tornado for a bit. On the radar. Oh, it's coming to Hazleton. Seems like it's staying there. Oh, no, the tornado's gone now. Yeah, no, the tornado's gone. Dang it. On to the next one. Alright, so we have a bit of a tornado now, and I'm also in this guy's truck, this guy's tip. Let's see. I don't really know what to do.
Heavy lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
What covers the road? Got flat spots? I don't see a tornado. What's the shit going on now? Oh, we got a rotation. We got a rotation. I need to get a pro real quick. I'll buy a couple of these. I'll buy one of them on there. And then I'll get a twist stick on there. I'll also get a video on. And we'll get a Dorothy. Alright. We intercepted a tornado. What?
Tornado. Take cover now.
I see it. I got Dorothy. we gonna survive this?
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Beltrami County.
Here we go.
The radar shows this tornado moving southeast at 40 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh my gosh. Holy moly! Oh jeez! Oh yeah, it's hitting. Oh jeez. The debris. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. 158, 124, 374, 244. Let's go. Let's go. Right, it destroyed lots of stuff. Let's get in it, Lemmy. Drive in it one more time. I don't think we're gonna make it. Hurry up. Jeez! Holy moly. Alright. Look. Yeah, I know, I see it. Holy moly. Oh yeah, there goes the trees. Should have gone down the dirt road. I was gonna go down this one. Okay, fair play, fair play. Come on. We can just make it. Come on, we gotta place the Dorothy's and then stuff. Come on. We missed it. Yeah, we did. Dang.
Issued a tornado warning for
Dang, we missed it. Is the tornado going up or what's it doing?
other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway.
Yeah, it's heading out. Alright, well, that was Twisted Part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be making a Part 3 on this. And as always, fresh out!